With devices across a wide variety of price points, phones running Android dominate the smartphone market. While they can be reliable, issues do arise from time to time. If you've been having issues receiving text messages, it could be caused by a variety of reasons. Thankfully, many of them can be fixed on your own. Here's what you can try. The first thing you want to try is to reconnect to your service provider's network. The easiest way to do this is to briefly switch to airplane mode by swiping down twice from your home screen and tapping on the toggle. After a minute, toggle airplane mode off, and your phone will reconnect to your provider's network. Note any changes in signal strength. To test if this worked, try texting your own number a text message or have a friend text you to see if it goes through. If you're still having issues, restarting your phone might fix a software glitch. If you're still having issues after that, ensure that the app you use to handle text is updated to its latest version. If you're having issues receiving text messages from specific contacts, make sure you haven't blocked them on your text message app. If you use Google Fi as your carrier, ensure you're signed into the Project Fi app. If you've recently switched over from an iPhone, you'll also need to turn off iMessage. By leaving it on, your number will still register as an iOS device in Apple's ecosystem, and your contacts devices might be trying to reach you via iMessage. While you can still toggle this off under your old phone's messaging setting, the easiest way to do this is to click on the link in the description below to head to Apple's support site. Scroll down to the No Longer Have Your iPhone setting, enter your phone number in the appropriate box, double check the country code, then click on Send Code. You'll get a text message from Apple containing a 6-digit code. Enter it, click on Submit, and you'll be taken off iMessage shortly. If you were part of any group chats on iMessage, you might need to create new chats. If you have any further trouble, the issue might be specific to your phone model or brand, or an issue with your phone plan or carrier. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Android and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.